How to know if someone saw your message on Discord. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to go ahead and launch your Discord application. You can easily install it via your Google Play Store or App Store. Now select a server and just go ahead and send a message. Unlike other applications where after the message being read, you will receive a double tick or just empty ticks denoting that the message has been received. However, in Discord, there is no such notification option to actually detect that your message has been seen by the person. And there is nothing that we can do in our end as well. So that is it. However, if you face any glitch or bug issue, follow this next step. Press and hold onto your Discord and go to your app info. Force stop it, head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. This will help to resolve any of the bug or the glitch issue you may be facing. Open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for your Discord application. You need to tap on the app and make sure that it is up to date, or just leave it for an update if there is any. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.